notice is sa 35 years, nakatatlo akong ahensya, lumaki ako sa advertising, never ako nagka-office mate or a colleague who is a neurodivergent or deaf. Never. And malalaking kumpanya to of 200 employees, 300 employees. Never ako nagkaroon ng colleague in the creative department, ha? But if you look here, ang dami-dami creativity and creative products. One day, I saw a young boy designing online games, and he is diagnosed with autism. At 14, what he was designing was something I've never seen in Japan because I was in a Japanese company for so long doing innovations and technology. And I thought, maybe there's something there. Maybe it's time for us to tap into the neurodiverse world. And then I went back to school and studied autism, and I know that there is a creative force in the neurodiverse world and the world of disabilities. Marami sa ating creatives. Okay? It is a really creative force. What I notice also, among disorders, name it, dyslexic, someone who cannot spell and read, autism is a developmental disability on somehow how the brain is wired. You have dyspraxia on the way the body works. They become so insightful. Ano insightful? Human truths yan. Naiintindihan nila yung mga nangyayari sa atin na hindi sinasabi sa commercial kasi bawal sabihin. Kunyari, mga feelings, deep feelings. Mabigat sila, lalo na mga may ADHD. Napaka-observant nila. You have focus, unbelievable focus. Maniwala ka in the world of advertising, walang focus ang mga tao, pero sila sobrang focus. Precision. I have here si Eugene. Napakadaling mag-edit pag sinabi ko from 2 minutes to 15 seconds. Napakahirap gawin nun, ha? Precise. You have uniqueness, the way they think. There was a myth. Sabi nila, in the world of autism, kamay lang magaling mag-paint, magaling mag-drawing, but hindi sila pwede mag-isip ng ideas. On a Friday, we would do these exercises of creating problems and then let them solve it. Simple problem of, what if yung mga overpass, bakit ba nag-jaywalk ang mga Pilipino, may overpass na nga, tumatawid pa rin sa baba. Di ba nakamamatay daw ang tumatawid sa baba? Ayaw talaga. Key memory. Unang-unang talo ko ang memory ko sa kanila. Alam nila kung sinunod mo last month. Ang memory nila ibang klase. And then fast learner. If you think you are fast in learning digital online softwares, you have to see them just be exposed in learning videos, and the next time you're already doing it. So these are the strengths of creatives today, which even the creatives in the advertising industries they don't have that kind of gift. So that's what we're trying to do. So we created also a book to assess the creative levels of the neurodivergent. So we call it the Misfits Camp. Bakit po Misfits? Kasi kung lahat kaming creative, sabi ni Steve Jobs, are misfits. We do not fit in the normal world. Not fitting in. Kasi kami kakanta ng jingle, kami mag-represent the storyboard. Okay lang, because we are supposedly the creatives in the room. And that's what I want each and every neurodivergent or people with disability working with us. It's okay not to fit in. Let's show our abilities, our creativity more than our disability. So we also believe in a napaka-bigat na philosopher, si Dr. Seuss. Why try to fit in when you're born to stand out? So celebrate standing out and being different. And in a nutshell, sino kami, the Misfits Camp? We are a non-stop, non-profit post-school. Yung po nakapagtapos na kahit ano, like high school, college, or at least certain schooling. So usually mga 20 and above. And when we dedicate our lives to upskilling assessing first their talent and upskilling them to join the creative industry, and advertising is one of them. And then what we do, we assess the creative skills. Marunong mag-drawing, anong klaseng drawing? We really push it. And then we train the skills to the standards of hireability in our advertising world or marketing world. And the last is why we do it. In 35 years, I never had a colleague of persons with disabilities, how can we do it? Especially in the era of AI. We should be pushing human creativity of different levels, of different kinds, different brains, or else we're gonna die as human beings.